Hey guys, I'm back again with another 2015 Verde Cadet Army Green bike. This is my friend's. So, stock grips. Yeah, well, they're okay. I didn't like them. Both sides. Same bars, 8.6 rise, 29 width. He has his own, I don't know what brand it is, but it's actually a front brake lever, but he likes it, so whatever. Then, what kind of cable is this? I don't know, but it's nice, lime green. Verde top load stem, same or stock forks, stock headset, tan wall dual tires, stock rim, stock hub. Down here, 25:9 gear ratio, same. You might be able to see this one better, maybe not. It says Verde 25T, really nice. Stock crank, stock bottom bracket, stock pedals. He has the Odyssey brake pads that I will be getting here soon. And stock seat. Still, same tire in the back, duo tan wall. Same hub. There's Verde on it. Find it. There it is. Yep. His sounds better than mine. That's about it. Bike weighs 24.3 pounds. Same as mine. Both very nice bikes. We bought them at a local bike store for like 320 bucks. That's with tax. So I'll probably be making another video of both of our bikes when we get the parts we want. Okay, see you guys.